Hello. How you doing? On a crazy Tuesday. It's a crazy Tuesday. I've just got more of these. Because they're nice. So, I'm going to share them, man. I'm not going to eat them all. I'm not a pig. I'm doing 3 reviews and they're all yellow. So there you are. The yellow review. Look at all that, look, all yellow. So right. How are you doing on a crazy Tuesday? Yeah. It's 10 to 1 in the afternoon. And I've got an hour and a bit to chill out. So I'll do a quick review here. 3 in 1. So, yeah. Finished late last night, so I was, going to chill out now for a bit and watch a bit of telly and, yeah, do these reviews for you. So, yeah, look what I got, look. This was from The Sun. It's the old Euro thing. So, it's got a good back as well, look. There's Stuart Pearce there, look, remember that? When he scored that penalty, he went crackers, didn't he? Because he missed one in, I think he missed one in the World Cup or the Euros 3 or 4 years before. And he had a lot of bottle to take another penalty. Because if he missed that, then that would have been it. But, yeah, he went up, he scored it, and he just went, he looked like a mental, crazy lunatic. Well, they call him Psycho, don't they? But, yeah. If you want to see a penalty celebration, YouTube, search Stuart Pearce penalty, and you'll see him go crackers. He was like, ugh! He was like a crazy mental head. But like I said, a few years back, he missed a penalty. I'm sure it's the World Cup or the Euros, but yeah, if you want to see him go crackers, then just type in YouTube Stuart Pearce penalty. I think it was Euro 96, I think. But anyway, right, I'm going to do this review quickly. I've got some of these fridge raiders from Asda. Slow roasted chicken bites made with 100% real chicken breast. These are like pound, 120 or something. I'll do these first. They're in the 3-pack. There you go. My daughter loves these. I've never tried them, but my daughter loves them. My son actually is a little bit funny with food, bless him, but I suppose they're nice for a little snack. But I'll try them. Oh, they smell nice. They just smell like popcorn chicken. You know when you got popcorn chicken from KFC or... well, anyway, you can get popcorn chicken from all the supermarkets. It just smells like that. It's alright. Fridge Raiders. Slow roasted chicken bites made with 100% real chicken breast. High in protein, apparently. Cheers. These are, yeah, slow roasted. I think the other ones do southern fried, I think. But they're not too bad, them. They're only little bites. Proper chicken breast in there. They're nice for a snack, them. Made with 100% real chicken breast. 91% chicken breast. Vegetable oil, salt, garlic, onion, sage. And that's it. And there's all sorts of raising agents and all that rubbish. But yeah, we're on a mission to banish hunger pangs for good with real snacks of substance. That's why our chicken bites are made with 100% real chicken breast. Yeah, they're nice for a snack. If you're a bit peckish, and you're not really hungry, just have a couple of them and that'll be fine for you. £1. For rating for Fridge Raiders slow roasted chicken bites. Yeah, they're alright. Nice and salty, proper chicken breast, and yeah, they're nice for a snack. 8.2 for them. So I'll have them in a minute. When I'm chilling out for an hour. I'll leave that there for a thumbnail. Right. I went into Heron Food today, this morning, and they normally do sort of offers and stuff in baskets as you're walking along the aisles. And I saw these and I thought I've got to try these. Ham and English mustard flavoured potato crisps. Made with bags of character, real hand cooked. I don't think I've heard of real crisps. But anyway, we'll try these. These were 59 pence. I bought 2 bags, so I don't know who the old bloke is in there. I don't know who he is, but looks a bit like Bruce Forsyth, doesn't he? Good game, good game. Oh, there you are. Right. Yeah, there's no make. They're not even like Walkers, or they're not a make. But I'll read the back in a bit anyway. Ham and English mustard. They smell like ham. Yeah, they smell like ham. Like, what were them crisps? Beef and onion crisps. Or Frazzles. If you're in the UK, you know what I'm on about with Frazzles, like bacon fries or something. They smell alright, right. Yeah, loads of ham they smell. Like real hand-cooked ham and English mustard flavoured potato crisps. I hope they've got a bit of mustard flavour in them. I don't mind the ham, but it says mustard, it's got to blow your head off, hasn't it? Sort of. Cheers. Oh. Yeah, the mustard's there. Wow. They're nice and crunchy. With bags of character. Yeah, they're nice. Yeah, there's a kick with a mustard. You know when you have English mustard and you maybe have a bit too much and it goes up your nose? Oh yeah, there's the mustard. Bang. Yeah. They're nice then, they're really nice. Horatio is our real seasoned veteran and national hero. He can be seen hamming it up rightly with a dash of sauce, and he's oh so still hot to trot. Our British made and family owned hand cooked crisps are made with passion and pride. Made with carefully selected British and Irish potatoes, gluten free. Yeah, a real partnership supporting unemployed people to get jobs in the hospitality industry. Oh. Yeah, ham and English mustard flavoured hand-cooked potato crisps. Yeah, they're nice, them. Potatoes, ham and English mustard flavouring, salt, sugar, milk, smoked flavouring, onion powder, paprika extract. Yeah. Are they just called Real? I think they're just called Real. Storage at GB Customer Services. Real Crisps Limited. Oh, they're Real Crisp Limited. Princewood Road, Eastries Industrial Estate, Corby, Northamptonshire. Yeah, they're nice, them. They're really nice. They got like a mustard heat to it. To them. I'm gonna eat them as well. I'm gonna eat my fridge raiders. I'm gonna eat them. I'm gonna drink some drink. Yeah, they're nice, them. Rating. Yeah, they're really nice. They're probably one of the best crisps I've had on the channel for a while. 9.6 for them. There's a nice little there's a nice little English mustard twang to them. So yeah, they're nice then. I'll have them in a minute. Right, last one now. Last but not least, I'm doing a smoothie. Wednesday tomorrow. Got the kids at the weekend. Right, this is from Asda. Mango and passion fruit smoothie. There's all your oranges, your passion fruit, which is there. Pineapple, but we'll get it in a glass and we'll have a taste. It's thick. It's nice and thick. Like me. But there you are. Right. Yeah, it smells like pineapple. Pineapple and mango. It smells nice, refreshing, fruity. So yeah, anyway. Asda's mango and passion fruit smoothie. 100% pure pressed, never from concentrated and no added sugar. Cheers. Yeah, that's nice. It's nice and thick as well, and gloopy. Apple, orange, passion fruit and lemon juices, not from concentrated, with mango and banana purees. Wow. Apple juice, mango puree, banana puree, orange juice, passion fruit and lemon juice. And there you are. Live better with Asda. Okay. Right, rating. Yeah, it's very nice, very smooth, very refreshing. Yeah, I can taste the apple juice, the mango, the banana, the orange, yeah, the passion fruit. Yeah, it's nice that. Rating. It was £1.25, I think, from Asda. 9.4 for that. It's really nice. Nice and refreshing. So, right. Hope you got that little video of me doing three yellow things. I'm going to eat my fridge raiders and my crisps, and I'm going to have a bit more of this juice, and that'll be my lunch. So, right. Hope you got that little video. 3 things in one there. See? I'm good, aren't I? 3 for 1. So, and they're all yellow. So, there you are. So, anyway. Oh, dear. The weather is... Okay, it's not too bad. It's still not warm. It's still sort of 12 degrees. And we're in the second week of June now, and it's just... Flaming June, eh? Remember people used to say the flaming June, but not this June so far. But anyway. Right, Phoebe, Nadji, darlings, you're my whole world. Yours are, yours will be. And there's no other way to say that, darlings. I love you to bits. I forgot to say that on my last video, and I apologise, but it doesn't matter. You know how I feel about my children, and every parent should, feel the same way with their children, of course. So, I love you to bits, darlings, and I'll see you Saturday morning. So, 4 more sleeps. I don't know what we're going to do. It's Father's Day on Sunday, so there you are. They bought me a little present and some cards for Father's Day, so that'd be nice. And then we're going to drop them back and we're going to go out for carvery. So, yeah, Father's Day on Sunday. So there you are. So anyway, again, darlings, you're my whole world. Yours are and yours will be. Simple as that, and I'll see you Saturday morning. So anyway... stay safe out there, because there's crazy effers. I nearly said a swear word, but there's crazy people about, so just stay safe, keep your distance, because there's dickheads everywhere, stuff. So anyway, stay safe, take care, all the best, and I'll catch you soon. Cheers.